In today's video, we're diving into one of the rarest and most breathtaking cars ever built, the Delahaye 165. This isn't just a car, it's a piece of rolling art, a symbol of pre-war elegance and engineering brilliance. Built in the late 1930s, only a handful of Delahaye 165s were ever produced, and today they stand as some of the most collectible and expensive classic cars in the world. Let's start with the exterior. The Delahaye 165 stuns with its sweeping aerodynamic design, which was groundbreaking for its time. Most famously bodied by French coach builder Figoni et Falaschi, the car showcases curvaceous lines, elongated fenders, and a low, almost seductive stance. The long, flowing front hood leads to a beautifully sculpted grille that tapers downward, giving the car a teardrop silhouette. Chrome accents, subtle yet elegant, run along the body, enhancing the visual flow. The wheels are partially enclosed by fender skirts, which adds to the car's sleek Art Deco aesthetic. Every angle of the Delahaye 165 was meticulously thought out to achieve a perfect blend of beauty and function. Now, stepping inside, the interior of the Delahaye 165 is just as exquisite as its exterior. It's the kind of cabin that feels like sitting in a high-end Parisian lounge from the 1930s. Luxurious leather wraps the seats, often finished in rich burgundy or deep tan tones that contrast elegantly with the exterior. The dashboard is a work of art in itself, usually crafted from wood or machine-turned aluminum, housing a series of delicate analog gauges with classic French typography. The steering wheel is thin and large, as was customary in the era, but still elegant and inviting. Despite its age, the craftsmanship feels timeless, the kind of interior that whispers luxury, not shouts it. When it comes to performance, the Delahaye 165 wasn't just about looks. Under that massive hood was a 4.5-liter V12 engine, which at the time was a marvel of engineering. It produced around 170 horsepower, which was extremely impressive during the 1930s. Paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the car delivered smooth, refined power and could reach speeds of over 100 miles per hour. That was no small feat in its day. Driving one is described as a surreal experience, not for its speed or handling by today's standards, but for the sheer grace with which it moved. The suspension was advanced for its era, offering a surprisingly smooth ride, and the car felt remarkably balanced for something so large and elegant. Only a handful of Delahaye 165s exist today, and that exclusivity comes at a steep price. These cars rarely come up for auction, but when they do, prices have been known to exceed $5 million, depending on condition, provenance, and body style. Some of the more iconic examples, with coachwork by Figoni et Falaschi, have sold for even more, especially if they've been meticulously restored to concours condition. Collectors consider it one of the crown jewels of pre-war motoring, not only for its rarity, but for the artistry and craftsmanship it represents. The Delahaye 165 is not just a car. It's a celebration of an era when design, performance, and exclusivity came together in perfect harmony. From its jaw-dropping exterior to its lush, handcrafted interior and that powerful V12 under the hood, it's a masterclass in automotive history. This is the kind of car that doesn't just turn heads, it stops time. If you ever get the chance to see one in person, take it, a rapid take-up. You're not just looking at a car, you're looking at one of the most elegant expressions of human creativity on 4 wheels.